The armed forces of Russia and Ukraine reported the front-line progress in the last 24 hours. The armed clashes occurred in some places June 1st. Russian assault teams continued advancing in the Marinka tactical area in the Donetsk People's Republic (DPR) over the past day during the special military operation in Ukraine, Defense Ministry spokesman Lieutenant General Igor Konashenkov reported on Thursday. The assault teams of the 5th Motor Rifle Brigade and the Akhmat Special Operations Formation continue offensive operations in the Marinka tactical direction, the spokesman said. Operational, tactical and army aviation and artillery of Russia's southern battlegroup inflicted damage on the enemy's manpower and equipment in areas near the settlements of Georgievka, Lastikhano and Timkovka in the Donetsk People's Republic. The Russian Defense Ministry spokesperson Lieutenant General Igor Konashenkov said in total, the Russian armed forces have destroyed 430 Ukrainian fighter jets, 235 combat helicopters, 4,407 unmanned aerial vehicles, 424 surface-to-air missile systems, 9,352 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 1,105 multiple rocket launchers, 4,954 field artillery guns and mortars and 10,587 special military motor vehicles since the beginning of the special military operation in Ukraine. The other side from Kyiv, the armed forces of Ukraine in an official statement June 1st said Russia lost 460 servicemen in a single day, including 2 tanks, 6 armored fighting vehicles, as well as 14 artillery systems as well as 7 drones. In total Moscow lost 208,370 servicemen. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky attended second summit of the European political community. Important meetings on the sidelines of the second summit of the European political community. I thank the leaders for the consistent and comprehensive support of Ukraine. Together we will ensure the protection of our future, Zelensky said. Russia and Ukraine conflict has been lasting for 463 days. There is still no peace settlement between two sides.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.